Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo Y72 5G and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. Now we have to take a look at this photo section, and on the second position we've got the countdown. After tapping on it, we can choose from 4 different options actually. We can keep it turned off just like now, or we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, and as you can see after tapping on it, it is immediately notified right here that we've got 10 seconds. So let's get back and let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see right now your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. So let me pick, for example, 3 seconds delay. And the same situation, of course, but right now it is counting down from 3. So of course you can turn off the countdown, just pick the off option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Vivo Y72 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.